Your Excellency, I have the honor to announce that the swearing-in ceremony for Mr. Usaia Rakuka Ratuvili as Acting Master of the High Court shall now begin. Your Excellency, I now have the honor to invite Mr. Usaia Rakuka Ratuvili to take the oath of allegiance and the oath for due execution of judicial office.
I, Usaia Rakuka Ratuvili, swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji according to law, and I will obey, observe, uphold and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji, so help me God. I, Usaia Rakuka Ratuvili, swear that as a judicial officer within the courts of Fiji, I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji, that I will obey, observe, uphold and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji and all other laws of Fiji. And I solemnly and sincerely promise that I will defend the rule of law and the rights of the people, will do justice to all persons without fear, favor, or prejudice, in accordance with the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji and the law. So help me God.